Everyone, today I have to do this to save up the file from the last Sunday 2005 March the 2nd. This is the early stage of my learning curve. I make this trying to find a way to make my PA Price Action Analysis. So this is what I write down, the things that according to this chart. That's the first one for this thing that I need to recording, put it on YouTube so I can come back later on and looking at it. It's just a PFD, no, OneNote from free program, trying to save up my storage by delete this. Before I delete, I want to go slowly, not slowly, quickly to go beyond. I cannot say any detail here, but so far is Euro USD, and Euro USD look like it's been stop loss hit. Can read this later according to the news and everything. So this is one Euro USD 15 minutes. I sell on this position as seen in the picture, and for 1 minute picture, say how do I get in with order, and that's Euro JPY. The result, it get me in the position, still running, not yet closed. That's what Euro JPY, and then I jump to Euro USD, back to USD, Euro USD again. It's the thing still running, position. Euro USD is minus on the drawdown, and then I jump to the news on the 15th July. This is how the news looks, and I close, zoom in GBP USD. This is the monthly, say the price is going down at this area of interest, and I top down approach GBP USD, say this is watch out for this, waiting. I trying to sell here, and then I trying to do it in Thai just for the another version, practice to use technology. Euro USD here, buy with one lot, crazy, a big lot. And what's the result? Euro USD, does it lift me up? Don't know. This is look like in this set of 4 hours. What's that? Euro USD stop loss hit. That's how much it hit me for one lot size. Okay, something to learn. Then I go to check the strength, trend strength with the AI, see who is strong, who is weak, and explain by the AI and put some line on that. Tuesday, July the 2nd. Euro strong, GBP strong, Swiss franc strong, and which pair to pair together and go for a position order. So it's take time to check everything up and put the lines on here. The across the board USD, across the board 1 hour chart. See, the line of the 4 hour is green, the line of the white is 1 hour's parameter. This is 1 hour, we're looking for 1 hours. Here they are, and buy from the tops, sell from the top, buy from the bottom. Middle is waiting. Okay, and I still target on Euro USD, and top dive approach 4 hours, test 1, test 2. It's supposed to go down. That's what I expect to see, but here 4 hour fight at the set of 4 hours above daily line. The Euro USD showing the higher time frame, daily time frame set. They're on the top sign of the daily time frame. Inside there is the 4 hours and 1 hours touching on the midline. So see what I did? Nothing yet, just go on with GBP 1 month. It is like at the spot where it's supposed to go down. And GBP USD 1 week top dive approach, GBP USD 4 hours, 4 hours under the daily set 4 hours, and then very bottom it's time to buy. That's GBP USD, time to buy. But the buy of 1 hour's touch, maybe drop back. That's the 1 hour issue. Okay, H4 key and so on. News time, look at this. Today is Thursday, July 17th. A lot of news going on. And then come to the next day, Fridays. Today we look at the across the board USD still. I picked the Euro USD on top of the daily, fighting to moving up. They pull back for going up. That's what I think. That's the monthly. If the USD pull back to go up, it's pulled back somewhere around here to go up. That's not very good idea when you look at the higher time frame. Euro USD weekly, right at the spot on the face of the seller. Euro USD daily touch at the midline of the daily band, Bollinger Band mid, and then want to go up. That's what I think, but the MACD said down. Let's say Euro USD still, what was that? Daily Euro USD 4 hours, more clear picture. Red, very high volume, fighting. It's supposed to go up. That's what I think. Zoom down to see details. See touch, not able to break through this yet, but at least it break through the 36 MA, and I see no sign of the I see no sign of the seller coming back yet, just buy so far. Then I shift to GBP USD 1 month to do ready for top down approach, and look at this, it's like drop a big time and then pull back, get to back to where it was. It's like a big range, and term of stop loss hunt taking, this one is stop loss hunt taking from here, this guy, and time to leave this, release and go up. First leg, second leg, still strong. This red guy's coming back, but this green not accept. I want to get somebody stop loss here. Now they get it, and we're moving back down, or they still want to, interesting to get all of this stop hunt from here. Who knows? This is the weekly. Go to daily GBP USD, bridge the daily, but pulling back. Is still in the daily. Daily still control 4 hour GBP USD 4 hours. See the bridge out close below this daily line, and when they bridge out, that means they're supposed to pull back in and move down to the lower Bollinger Band line of the daily. So this is GBP USD. GBP is supposed to be dropped to this, or going up to this top line of the BD, Bollinger Band daily. Okay. The news on the July 18 continue. 4 hours across the board for CAT. Okay, I'm not gonna spend time here, just to see who is strong and weak. That's higher time frame, 4 hours. CAT only, just to make sure that CAT, only 2 of CAT in the front, and the rest is CAT in the back. That's 4 hours. Back to the 1 hour, cannot really see the direction. Only the line of green, that is 4 hour midline, 4 hour midline, 4 hour midline, where they are in the universe. USD news, and this is top down approach for what? Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, I don't know, this is look like 1 minute or very low time frame. Okay, Bitcoin is here, position 1 just being filled for sell price. Bitcoin for a whole sequence from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours. They're on top here, and then this is detail on the top here. 1 hours, very strong down and pull back. Do they bridge this? Yes, it's supposed to go down then. So I sell limit order for 15 minutes, and that's what happened. That one lot here, 0.05 lot here for test water, sell right on the spot, minus 0.6 lot, 0.06. Still floating, even though still have a chance. What's it bit now? Bitcoin is get hook in, fill, and sell start. It look like the price still floating. Bitcoin at 1 minute, see the detail, still fighting up and down, green and red, and here's green, look at the Bitcoin here where I have my position, and this is a target. Let's see if we'll hit the target. Take profit. This is the order. I ordered BTC USD for sell order here. Waiting. Anyway, all the sell order. BTC USD still pull back. Sell limit. BTC USD still floating. Price still not closing. But here, history. Bitcoin close. Profit taking. Bitcoin USD close. Now I lost. Profit taking here. Bitcoin selling. Sell limit. That is sell limit order. Still in Bitcoin, still waiting. Add more position. The limit orders fill. Sell position. Bitcoin running green. All the history. Bitcoin taking profit. 2 position. 3 position, lost 1 position on sell Bitcoin. Success. Final tablet. This is the trend checking with the AI. Swiss franc today is strong and euro 2 pair. The weakest is JPY and GBP and JPY. Bitcoin 15 minutes. Just to show how the Bitcoin run, they're going back up. Just to look at my history, Euro GBP is stop loss hit with 1 lot size. Bitcoin USD still running up. Talking to the AI. GBP Euro strong. Aussie out also. Final score table. Day 1 latest close. Swiss franc New Zealand strong today. US Swiss franc, Aussie Swiss franc underneath the green midline of the 4 hours. Swiss franc 4 hours. GBP Swiss franc 4 hours. It's like at the bottom of the daily. Time to buy. 4 hours. This is strong here. Intention from waiting for the discount. If you are a seller, this discount should be somewhere around here. Right now it's in the middle. No direction. Okay. Swiss franc, Aussie Swiss franc. Aussie's strong but pull back for going up. If you're a buyer, if you're sellers, test 1, test 2, price release. They need to take a stop hunt here and no direction. Not just yet. Aussie Swiss franc 15 minutes. at this hour closing market, they're going back up to the center line of the 1 hour for a whole day. Switch from JPY going up, pulling back 2 times, not yet. It's a good price. Somebody may do desperate enough to buy here. I rather want to wait down here at the blue line. Or switch from JPY 1 hour, as it's here 4 hours, that we don't see the detail. So now top down approach, how they're pulling back. This is the critical line level, key level. They have to go down here to challenge this guy. This guy still control the market, so they let the things down. This below here is a buy. Switch from JPY, they don't come below here, they buy first. So it's like, to follow this is like a FOMO for me. So I didn't do anything. That's the news, 22nd July. Far away. Daily, at the bottom of daily, there is Aussie switch franc, New Zealand switch franc, PP switch franc, Euro switch franc, all this, even US switch franc, operating under the daily mid line. So all of these are 4 hour chart. We go down to 1 hour chart for switch franc. It's like a waterfall in 1 hour chart. What is drop? The line had to put in. To see in a single shot, US switch franc drop. US is weak, and 1 hour today start London and New York. Will they hold this or come to touch this? What was that? US Swiss franc. Now I go to Aussie Swiss franc. All this 15 minutes now. This is 1 hour. Beneath 4 hours. I don't know. This is the time to buy or not, but if this is strong. New Zealand Swiss franc, the next one. All of this is drop. Correlation. So they go back up. This is another thing. Switch from JPY. Operate in the block of the 4 hours. 1 hour is beneath. That's switch from JPY. One is beneath this, waiting for this, maybe touch and bounce. Catch Swiss franc. 15 minutes. The same thing. They don't even come to here. They bounce back before. Catch Swiss franc. Look like I put no limit order yet. It's not coming down here like the other pair. Volume is like no power to push the market. What happened? GBP switch from 4 hours block, 1 hour block at the middle underneath. First leg test 1, no test 2, only one test, but if you count this test, the test 1, so this is the test 2. test to fail to go make a low, back up again to take this guy stop loss, but cannot take this, get through this 1 hour block. So they go moving down beneath the midline, fighting down here, scare people that they breach this 1 hour. Not yet. So they're still fighting around here. That was GBP switch from. Interesting. But it's in the center line, no direction like the other pair. Bitcoin 1 minute chart. It's interesting. I have to say something. If there's stop hunt somewhere, now they create a sideways market. Stop hunt must be up here or down here. Since this is looking for sell, should be stop hunt should be coming back to get this guy before going down, or it's too desperate, it can go down directly. But remember, this guy is still not being breached. Bitcoin again, 15 minutes, look like block of 4 hours. I think it's beneath the higher time frame, because Bitcoin, yeah, not higher time frame. Bitcoin is almost the overall time high, so they need to pull back to get people lift together to go up with. Switch from Aussie switch from all this switch from in 15 minute sequence. So US switch from drop, Aus cat switch from drop. Switch from is strong from this chart. That's go up to 1 hour. Switch from, not switch from, Euro switch from, GBP switch from, in the Euro across the board. Okay, this one is okay. This one, July 23rd. Let's go through it quickly. This one, Euro switch from, and I check the news and everything in different way. Check it back later, and I even do in Thai. US, what was that? Euro switch from in the daily block below the bottom side. US switch from, all this is switch from sequence in 4 hours, and this time I make smaller so I can see the detail. Where are they? Which one is training? Call it Aussie switch from. Aussie is inside the daily block. Inside the daily block has the 4 hour block beneath the bottom side. Aussie switch from 4 hours. Go up, pull back to go up again. New Zealand switch from 4 hours. GBP switch from 4 hours. Time to go up. This is the center. GBP switch from switch from 4 hours, but this is 1 hour sequence from the last one was 4 hours. So but it's a euro across the board. Euro is weak, many pair drop. Euro JPY, Euro KBP. This is still Euro sequence. Talking to the AI. Digest which pair to go with which pair. New Zealand switch from. I sell here. This chart is daily. I sell. Put the sell limit, not sell. New Zealand switch from. Sell limit. Waiting. New Zealand switch from 1 hour in the detail. Not yet, it hooked me up. New Zealand switch from 15 minutes. It's not pick my limit sell. This is the charge heat map. Switch from is correlate. Every pair are down here. That means switch from is strong. Only this one is different direction. Show the switch from is strong, but all of this GBP, New Zealand, Aussie CAD and USD start to get green at 1 minute time frame, and then will go green, 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 and dominant all the higher time frame or not is the question in the future. New Zealand across the board, checking every pair. New Zealand across the board, 4 hours. Okay, continue. This one, New Zealand JPY, 4 hours. New Zealand JPY, 4 hours. A block of 4 hours fighting on top side of the weekly, daily, still sideways market. Now New Zealand USD, price going up, challenge this guy, bridge. Test 1, test 2, not even take the price, going up to the next key level, gatekeeper, level keeper, bridge him, stay above. That's, where was that? New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD 4 hours, climbing up to the higher time frame. History is sideways market underneath the weekly, monthly and monthly midline. Going up, challenge it, or doing one test before test 1, coming down to get test 2 or not going up, challenge this guy. New Zealand USD daily sideways market, sellers start to bridge this, pull back to get test a better price. Test 1, test 2, his better price is take a stop loss of this guy and then moving down, but this guy is still not give up, so he will fight here. New Zealand USD, this one prices go down, weekly is the trending down. The stop loss hunt this guy to release, not get this, but at least they get something, but they cannot get furthermore. That's third time in a row. So buyer, are they coming back? That's the question. This is the midline of the monthly, still hold. Price is going down still for weekly. Wednesday, July 21st news event. And this is Euro USD on the top, US Swiss franc on the bottom. I mean, Euro USD is strong. Let's check the Euro. US Swiss franc is weak. The Swiss franc is strong. Only the US to just screen for only JPY. This is not correlate, not together. Euro are together more. Or USD, Euro USD, and all the USD in the back, Euro in the front, all the pair in the front. That means they are just start to get green. Since before on the monthly they are still very strong, but they're coming back to get strong to override these red things. So euros seem to be a chance to get strong today. Only this USD something, USD is, well, is this USD pair? Okay, USD pair is weak. Euro is strong in the past and from recently. So anyway, I'm not gonna go in deep into this, what is this means. I'm just gonna leave at that because I need to go quick. This is just recap from the last month. I didn't do anything, so it's good idea to keep the record before I delete it. So we go to Friday 25th July. See what happened there. All news, nothing but new. Let's go further. 28th July. Okay, something there. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is look like I'm selling limit here. It start to feel it stay green. Bitcoin 3 minutes. Bitcoin 3 minutes. My sell is not working. The buyer coming. Euro across the board 4 hour. Euro across the board for 4 hours. Euros see only this pair catching. Euro GBP, Euro JPY, and Euro CAD. And what this is, Euro CAD is, I'm saying Euro CAD, I sell Euro CAD. Okay, let's see what happened. Now I start to focus on Binance Digital Binance and Bitcoin from Binance platform. Binance and Bitcoin, 4 hours. Binance coming strong. Binance coming strong. Daily, but it is being sell before. It's coming back, but the guy here is still intact. Guy here still intact. This guy. They're coming. 1 hours climbing up above. So Bitcoin is history. Okay, my sell is working. Bitcoin for 101 lot size 0.1. Bitcoin is hitting the target, take profit, hit, selling here, target hit here. That was that. Bitcoin 1 hour. Euro across the board 4 hours. Now Euro drop. Euro is weak, being dumped for 15 minutes, more like waterfall. I haven't put a chance to put the lies in yet. No time. Here, Eurocat. What happened to Eurocat? Eurocat, 0.3 lot size. Give me a benefit. Profit hit. What did I say? I can't. Okay, I have to put it to the center. Read it. Come back and read it. Bitcoin hit. It's good. Bitcoin 4 hours. No, 1 hour. On a sideways. Bitcoin 1 hour on a sideways market. Bitcoin sell, working, hit. History also, Eurocat, New Zealand, Swiss franc, also profit hit. Eurocat, New Zealand, Swiss franc, profit hit. And what's this? Bitcoin 15 minutes. So somewhere around here I get in, and then it take down to the bottom of 1 hour set. Bitcoin 5 minutes. This is mid of the 1 hour set. This is the lower band of Bollinger Band. So they come and touch, and then now it's going back up. And since that I see that it will going back up, I put in buy limit order. US Swiss franc 4 hours. All of these at the bottom. They still want to pull back somehow. Swiss franc still strong from this. Swiss franc, what charges this anyway, it's still strong. US Swiss franc on the top, GB Swiss franc at the bottom, US red, Swiss franc green. US strong in that. US Swiss franc now is become showing up US strong, but still US weak. They need to pull back to get somewhere, take this guy, stop hunt, here or here. Watch this, US Swiss franc moving down, time frame daily, This is center line of the daily is here. Would they get up, at least bridge this guy if they want to go change the direction? GBP Swiss franc also coming back, but smash down again underneath the operation of daily, and the daily at the bottom side have the 4 hour, 1 hour are still tangling up, fighting on the sideways market beneath at the center. Okay, GBP Swiss franc 1 hour, 4 hours set still sideways, and they suddenly come up. Why? Because they get this guy stop loss already. They're hunting them and they're coming up, and this guy seller don't want to give up either to push it back. That was GBP Swiss franc. Now we are GBP across the board 4 hour chart. GBP on the left side hand. GBP left side hand is drop to this bottom line of the 4 hours. They already dropped here. GBP CAD, GBP USD are sister pair. They do the same thing. GBP Swiss franc also following up. GBP New Zealand following up. This already break through the 1 hour, 4 hours lower band. Break through the lower band, but coming back inside. GBP Swiss franc coming back inside and drop back again, coming back inside, drop back again. Okay, that's GBP is weak for this chart. Now I get back to BNB and BTC, the digital. BNB BTC 4 hour, BNB BTC 4 hour. What was that? 4 hour big one, 4 hour small one. What is it? BNB BTC, BNB BTC. Okay. Double of the chart. Oh, I see. I have two charts to compare with. BNB BTC, BNB BTC 4 hour and 1 hour. So this is 4 hours, this is 1 hour. They drop back, they're going up. BNB, this is the market price. Okay, I'm coming back to this. Just a quick check on those BNB. How does it look on the time frame? And I'm looking for to place some order on the BNB and BTC, stocking them up. So this is, I'm coming back to Euro Aussie. When I look at this, test 1, test 2 fell, or not yet sure if they fell. They maybe fight somewhere sideways here, decide to go down. But since I say Euro Aussie come at the bottom line of the 4 hour set, I set the buy limit. And Euro USD as well. Euro Aussie 1, Euro USD 2, buy limit. Okay, let's go to the next one. 28.29. Okay, 28.29 today, 29 Tuesday. My Euro USD CAD sell limit. USD CAD sell limit is put in. So all of this is sell limit. We're going to catch Swiss franc. Why did I put sell limit there? Because it's super trend down, and the price is at the middle. It's going up, but a higher time frame in this pair is cat Swiss franc. Swiss franc is dominant, so I put sell stop loss easily here. I should even do better here, but it's too far away. I put it here. What was that? Cat Swiss franc. Yeah, selling. The result, history, Euro USD, stop loss hit. Euro Aussie, stop loss hit. Euro USD, stop loss hit. See how I'm going to stop loss somewhere here at this one lot size. One lot size. Okay, sell in the wrong place because it's supposed to be buy at the mid of the daily time frame underneath. Maybe that's why it's underneath of this daily and underneath of 4 hour set. But the 4 hour set said this is my bottom line, should go up, but it didn't. It penetrated through. Why? Maybe it takes somebody's stop loss here and then want to go up. Anyhow, Euro USD and Euro Aussie is stop loss hit. Euro Aussie, see how it hit here, my stop loss, they got hit here. Euro Aussie, because somebody has stop loss hunt, or the daily thick yellow line is here, mid band here, so that's why they may be like a magnet to draw to this, to reset, to either go up or down, so that I'm lost on this position. Next, Bitcoin USD 1 hour is like this sideways market on a very high price. What did I do? Inside of this block of the 4 hours, in the mid of it, price drop, I put in position here. The result is what happened. Bitcoin USD win. Even here, just come here, I win, and then the price return to where it's want to be falling. So next one, Bitcoin USD. Okay, Bitcoin is get win, and this is the another chart at 4 hour Bitcoin USD. I did not think, but I just put lines in here to see a block of 4 hours in here. Remember, daily is here, mid daily. Okay, come back to stalking on Binance USDC. You're trying to play around with the chart layout. This is 1 hour, this is 4 hours. Okay, so the price going up and drop the block in the block of 4 hours. Still BNB 1 hour and 4 hours, still same thing. Sand, I think it's Sandbox BTC or something, I don't know, but check out later. I just looking around, see what I can see, the price where I can buy. This is block of daily on 4 hours. They can maintain above this daily line, but not this line is the weekly midline, still up there. So BNB is strong, Sand BTC is weak. Anyway, USD CAD, here my mark is gone. USD CAD M5 5-minute chart. USD CAD is being either way. My sell didn't make it, stop loss hit. My buy USD CAD take profit hit, but my take profit is more than my loss, so success. Next one, USD news and things like that. Okay, this day is gone. Next day, Wednesday the 30th, the end of the month, or I don't know, July, Kalakadakom. Yeah, it's the 31st tomorrow, Wednesday. Today, Wednesday 30, US Swiss franc sell limit. US Swiss franc sell limit still, position is still running. Sell limit hit and almost to the profit, take profit, but it's still running. Okay, this is the news. This is the checking the euro, how it does. I forget to show what chart is on, 1 hour or what hour. I think it's doesn't matter. Okay, I mean euro are more likely close tagged together here, except euro Swiss franc is give a little bit problem there. Euro is this orange line, very bottom, and now in euro it start to coming back, green, but not yet on the top. Euro heat map. Euro are grew together. That means they are correlated. They used to be strong. Now, since the rate is like the euro strong on the daily, 4 hour and so on. Right now, the green coming back. That means euro is coming back to fill up this or dominate this time frame. The currency strength, Swiss franc euro in US, top is Swiss franc and euro. The weakest New Zealand and JPY on this day. Get back to stocking on a Bitcoin, drop minus 3.5% on BNB, and Bitcoin dropped so